Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and a special note to all the children who are here. Let me congratulate the management for organizing this event. It's a great service. Otherwise, we are living in India. Actually, this particular society is a true reflection of India, in which we have a representative from each and every state. Whether it is from Bengal or from the southernmost state of Kerala. So this is a true reflection of the spirit of India. We are all existing as a single entity and bringing us, all of us together here under, I don't say one roof, for one common cause, and making it a part of this eventful day. Management has done a great job. Congratulations, ma'am. Second aspect is the child Isha, correct? She sang the song Shubham Karoti Kalyanam. She said Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam. That means she declared that the Shubha has already happened and the Jyoti has already brightened up our lives. I've been chanting this mantra every day, but I never thought of this particular approach wherein we are telling, the prayer says that Shubham Karoti, please do good to us, and it is becoming, from a prayer, it is becoming a thanking note that you have already done so much good to us and thank you. This child has brought in that kind of dimension into our lives. Thank you so much. Okay, you may be a small child, but today you are a guru in trying to convey that particular aspect of Shubham Kurutvam. Okay, you know Sanskrit? You can understand? No. Oh, unknowingly you converted that Karoti into Kurutvam. Yes, very good. So third aspect is, I just went through the paintings. 112, who is the resident of 112? I would like to congratulate them. Yeah, please stand up, ma'am. Where is the painter? I think this child also has participated in the painting competition. And I think this child deserves a prize because it has gone into the spirit of independence, seen others and tried to emulate. And I think that is one of the best painting that I have ever seen. And she has brought in, probably they are trying to give her the kesari, white and the green, but she preferred I want darker colors. And irrespective of the color of our flag or the spirit of independence, she has celebrated her freedom to exercise her thoughts onto the paper. Heartiest congratulations. And I would like to congratulate each and every child who has filled in so much of colors. If we just look to my right, which is on the wall, there are two children who have brought in so much of colors into the paper. And this is why I always advocate that try and avoid giving crayons to the children. Give them brush. Let it be a completely dirty hand. Later you can wash it, because their mind will be totally poured into that paper through paint. So two of the paintings are very good. They are very impressive. They are eye-catchy. So congratulations to the children and their parents. When it comes to the Independence Day celebration, I joined forces in the year 1993. So after 32 years of my experience, I'm not, even though I said that I am hanging the uniform, I could have continued, but I preferred that I will hang my uniform. And before that also, we were inspired by the Gitanjali of Rabindranath Tagore. This won the Nobel Prize. This was written in 1925, way before our independence. The thought process of freedom. I will just give the Kannada translation and try to elaborate in English, because we are in Bangalore, Karnataka. Some kind of Kannada words has to come into my thoughts. The Kannada translation of this particular poem, which is written in Gitanjali, says, "A Swatantra Swarga ke Namma Nadu Eda Leda Leda Ledali." It means, to that free, Swarga means heaven. To that heaven may my land rise. To that land, that free land in which the expression of the thoughts is free. The innate urge to exist at the utmost highest threshold of our thought process should come forward. We should have the right to believe the God that we believe in. we should have the conviction to practice the practices, whether it is food practices or whether it is customs, traditions. So it should be free. And this is the poem which has been translated and indoctrinated into our constitution. The freedom for speech, the freedom and all the liberties are enshrined, and it is direct translation of this poem. So today we should realize that this freedom has brought in the heaven. So the concept of freedom was thought of as heaven. So to be very precise, we are all living in heaven, which is free India. That is the spirit. And in order to preserve that, whatever contribution that we could have given, that time as a student, later as a citizen, soldier, then a soldier scholar, and after retirement, the contribution to the society. That's after coming out of the force. So this is what is the spirit with which we in the forces we live in, and we try to push this particular concept. I've been the command delegation twice to the National Cadet Corps. I was a group commander in Bangalore between 2016 to 18, and 23 to 25 I was group commander in Guntur. And I've been trying to educate these college children to become the best of the citizens and to be a role model to emulate. And the same process we are still continuing. And I'm really delighted to know that this society is full of so eminent personalities, so talented people, professionals. Unfortunately, only the security man knows me. Whenever I come, and my timings are such that I enter and I generally shake hands and I ask him, "Khana ho gaya? Kaise ho?" all these things. And only he knows me. So it's very nice that this occasion brought all of us together, and we know each other now. We will be able to interact in a better frequency and will be able to achieve much more, synchronize and contribute to nation building. Thank you so much, and congratulations to all of you that you all belong to a great society like Tranquil Ambience, wherein the management is so good and the entire structure is very transparent and the facilities are very good. So let's hope for very good interaction in future, and let us build. Actually, whenever they used to say that come and give a speech, I used to say that I am bound by the service norms. Now Secretary ma'am probably might have bulldoze ke abhi to retire ho gaya, abhi to bula lo. Thank you so much. Thanks for calling me. I feel it's my honor and privilege to be in your country. Thank you so much.